Okay, this you're looking at here is my third year project for an ordinary degree, and this has been designed, developed, debugged, programmed over the last 8 weeks. So what we have here is an automated guided vehicle. The concept of it is that the user enters a command and it follows this command. Some of the hardware we have on here is we've got a 4x4 16 key keypad, also a 2x16 2-line 16 character LCD. Under here, it's quite hard to see, but we also got the LPC935 board, and on top we have the LPC interface board. Basically, the MCB 900 houses the 89 LPC 935 microcontroller. We use Kyle to program it and develop the code that talks to all these external components. Also, what we have is 2 stepper motors, gear system, and right down at the bottom there, I'll just turn on this light here. It wants to work. There we go. That's the power supply unit for the whole unit. Basically, we have 3 rails coming off this: 12 volt, a 6 volt, and a 5 volt. And this board here, this is the stepper motor control board. Okay, so that's a brief introduction. What I'm going to do next is power it up, and I'll just give you a demo. Now, the first thing that'll appear on screen is just a quick introduction of what it is, my name. It's a third year project. Vroom vroom. Okay, that next screen is just a list of instructions on how to operate the unit. With the 4x4 16 key keypad, we have A, B, C, and D. Also, we have star and hash. Now, these have been renamed to kind of something more localized, like A I've renamed as forward, B as right, C as left, and D as back. Also, later in the code, the hash, the 0, and the hash or star will have different functions. Okay, so we're stuck in the screen now. You have an option here to either press 1 to repeat instructions or 2 to input data. I'm going to press 1 just to check it works still. Okay, so it just basically, as it says, repeats the instructions. Okay, we're going to try 2 now. Okay, after the user presses 2, it's looking for commands, enter directions. So this is followed forward and by number 2. We'll try back 2, right, there we go a big right, and left. Now we go 9 left. Okay, the next stage is it checks with the user if he's happy with the code he's entered and if he can remember it all, if it's the same as what he originally entered. The next screen will give you an option of either yes if you're happy with it, or no if you want to re-enter the command. Okay, we're going to press hash here, or star should I say. Okay, so now it should perform what's been entered into it. There should be a 12 volt battery here, but I've taken it out because it's proving too heavy after 2 redesigns of the board. Just another one I find out here is in progress. It will also print out at what stage the software is at or the car is at. Now I hope it doesn't roll off the table. Now it should go right, and now it should go left, or try to at least. Anyways, and again it will tell the user when it's finished. and look for more directions, and again it'll repeat that loop until it's switched off. In its present state, it looks very rough at the moment, but this is not the final or the end product, but with a bit more development and design in the chassis, it should be in completion soon.